Hello friends, welcome back to Rohit Consulting channel. I am Rohit Gupta. In my previous lecture, I have told you about the definition of joint stock company and the features of the joint stock company. Now today we are going to talk about the merits of the joint stock company. First of all, the first merit of the joint stock company is huge amount of funds, because number of partners, number of members are joining in voluntarily in joint stock company, so they bring with them the share capital along with them to contribute in the joint stock company. So the first is we are having huge amount of capital resources at the end of the joint stock company. Second is limited liability. Limited liability means the members are having limited liability towards the company, because whatever the value of shares they are going to hold with them, that amount of liability they are responsible for the company, towards the company. So they are having limited liability over the company. Third is continuity of existence. Continuity of existence means, in previously we have told you that company is an artificial person created by law. कंटिन्यूटी इन एग्जिस्टेंस मीन्स कंपनी विल गो ऑन फॉर एवर. मैंने कल बताया था कि कंपनी में मैनेजर्स या मैनेजमेंट या बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स को कुछ भी हो जाए, वेदर दे गॉन मैड, ल्यूनाटिक हो जाए, इंसेन हो जाए, बैंकक्रप्ट हो जाए, इट विल डज नॉट मैटर, द कंपनी इज वर्किंग. तो कंपनी की वर्किंग चलती रहेगी, कंपनी विल गो ऑन फॉर एवर, नो मैटर वॉट सिचुएशन कम अक्रॉस इन द फील्ड ऑफ अ कंपनी. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रांसफरेबिलिटी ऑफ शेयर्स. ट्रांसफरेबिलिटी ऑफ शेयर्स मीन्स कंपनी के बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स के पास या मेंबर्स के पास जो भी शेयर्स होंगे, दे आर easily transferable to another member. If a member or board of director wants to transfer their shares, they can easily transfer their board shares to the other members by will. Next is economies of scale. Economies of scale means company जो प्रोडक्शन करती है वो ह्यूज स्केल, लार्ज स्केल पे प्रोडक्शन करती है, so that it matches the demand and supply of the market. So it uses the facility of economies of large scale of production. Next is democratic management. Democratic management means the members are having voting rights. They can choose their members, they can choose their board of directors. They are having one vote to cast at the time of annual general meeting or any other meeting which are going to held in the organization during the tenure. Now the goodwill. The goodwill of the company is very much important, because joint stock company works for the betterment of the society. Joint stock company society के better के लिए काम करती है and produces the products which are helpful to the society and to the country as well. And it also contributes a huge amount of share or profits to the country. Okay. So they are issuing shares and debentures also towards to the shareholders, and they are paying interest and profits to the shareholders also. That's why they are maintaining a goodwill and good relations with their customers, shareholders and creditors also. So this was my lecture on the merits of the joint stock company. In my next lecture, I will be talking about the demerits of the joint stock company. What are the drawbacks of the joint stock company? Okay, bye bye, see you.